This is Amy Chan from CakeDecoratingSchool.com, and if you like cake decorating, you're in the right place. If you're interested in these products, check the links in the description.
Cake drums. In this video, we are talking about restaurant wares, pastry tech, half-inch thick cake drums. And before we get started, we just want to say a big thanks to Restaurant Ware for the free little gift. They sent us this cake drum so we could talk about it and show it to you today. So we have the 12-inch in black. This comes in a couple of sizes, an 8-inch, 10-inch, and 12-inch diameter. And beyond the black one you see here, it also comes in white and silver. So you have plenty of size and color options to pick so that you can find one that really works for you and the cake that you're making. One of the reasons that we like these cake drums is their half-inch thickness. It gives you a really strong surface that can hold some weight. And I have to say, in terms of stability, these are really nice. They're going to hold some extra weight. So especially if you're making cakes that are covered in fondant, these are going to be a good choice. They're really sturdy. They're made of great corrugated cardboard that's layered in different directions, giving it great stability. So it'll really hold especially multi-tiered cakes without you having to worry about any instability issues, and they'll allow you to transport them, display them with confidence. The other thing I like is beyond this beautiful grease-resistant paper that's giving you a nice, sleek, slick, smooth surface and also won't soak up grease or moisture from your cake, is that the edges on these, unlike a lot of the cake drums that you're going to find, are actually flat. So you can see that smooth, beautiful surface there. It makes a great display in and of itself, but also means that if you're going to trim the sides, whether you're going to wrap it in fondant or trim the sides with ribbon or something like that to give it a little extra pop of detail, it's going to be easy to apply those decorative finishes and details. Overall, making these a really nice choice. They might be a little more in terms of cost than your average cake drum, but they're much sturdier, can hold more weight, and they have a much nicer finish. So especially if you're doing something like a cake for a wedding or a really nice event, investing in a cake drum that's going to have a few more of those polished finishes is going to give you a better look in the end for your presentation.
If you enjoyed this video and you'd like more about the cake decorating materials and equipment we use, or just some inspirational videos about cake decorating itself, you can follow us on Insta or YouTube at Cake Decorating School. If you'd like to know more about yearly membership and what it entails, you can go to www.cakedecoratingschool.com for more information. And if you're interested in these products, you can check the links in the description.